KSA pen kota di reservation voters ID lapen uniform civil code apathak mai kangni. Driving license kabe tuwapan birta kemi hemtorlun methang mobile penta license longpo. Ingdeng Ingkora Troxy Journal Karbi Youth Festival Rasinja Klamalong Sami Juntalin Lektepi Misti Kelangjun Suruhini Rakrisir Kep Kachipaman Kardom Ataba Birta Long Penili Sami Vilen Rong Parpi Nonar Juikta Birtang Ton Pen Dongkamukam Pre Chiklodi Pai Krihini Arni Adap Por Pai Krihini Rami Thom Kep DSA Conference Hall Along KSA Atumpen Pirang Kiamai Ke Phasai Pidupon Kedam tang jitini pai ingkora troxy surihini rakrisir kepani Guwahati High Court pen kapang dak atumapan STH kapar lopen anghoi kepe kaputhake masap ta chedonon thekthei pusi Central Committee KSA maipu Samson Teron pen pangdak pon Athike RSVP ek surihini rakrihini anengkana hot STH atumapan kapanong pon anghoi kapang dak pon pedet pen Jitini pai ingkora troxy surihini rakrisir kep ani general category atau pan anghoi kipidat ke judicial aron karkan binong lo pusi KSA tumso dakpen pinram ponlo lapen tong sikot lahai abang pubang pi atau pan bangso anghoi pen ingthan vek nang jiputa pinram pon tu
Times now recently that as per the report of that particular news channel, the government of India has completed its draft list for Uniform Civil Code, which is going to be tabled, which is going to be introduced in the coming winter session in the Parliament. We oppose the introduction of the bill to the nail because if the bill is passed, the concept of one nation, one law, one language will come into force, and eventually it will destroy the very existence of the existing tribes of the country.
Puthot jitini pai kri troxy pen prini pai kri pho angbong an Election Commissioner of India pen voter ID men kapechok jia phan ani ke hot ponchot ke manghumi mekhangjang thangbagma Assam along ri angkang alo kidun inglong asu arat atuma phan ke sumpik chenam atheke inglong arlok kidu arat ke kidam ke wang jia phan gari motor pen chenglok towar an kelele adim ki onglang lasonsi inglong asu arat Chiklo ejana porki pipon chot along puthot ani ki hot pon thujia phan Election Commissioner of India amai phua phan KSA tumpen chuning ripon padikrimlo.
So we demand the government of India to roll back their decision at the earliest possible time. Failing to redress our grievances will lead to a strong democratic movement.
Anparta Government of India pen Times Now channel along kapang dakpon non kang sam abotora hut Uniform Civil Code mate det isipet dhoram isinat elam iki isinat chot nangji pu Parliament along kapang dakpon jia puthak niritum KSA tum chikro den thekthi lapen non amat pravjin pen labang so aron kachien thu jia phansi Government of India phan KSA mai pu Samson Teron pen chenglok ari sanghu kido anatum so dak pen pinram pon News Desk report Karbi Anglong live Driving license nang li cepa siksak nang nilo lapen DTO along line dodo nang nilo hem hong thu totlun sika pharohini atangka nang li cepa dampen driving license joy kepen kachepalong je phan nang li kabori doloma tangte kopi kosan loki klempo Driving license avepin pen gari motor kevek amulu ka phai ke bat angthek India angkang pialong kang dang penang dotanglo labang so puthak Modi sarkar pen kamathapon RD padosi joy ke joy phang pen driving license kelong jia phan kengkam tengpon lo lapu driving license kaselam amen pen aprang prang kisung awai kang along kachetong do anara da phan isi mesen joy ke pen isi avar sai kang pupon abirta Karbi Anglong life longdun Birta tengke nangli driving license kaselam jia phan sika pharohini atangka hem hong thuk totlun pen kelong jia phan pini pen avar sai dopo tangte koson pen lanangli kelongji hem hong thuk totlun pen nangli kelang nangji aprangsi transport department pen kangpupon parivahan.gov.in along bear ignon laso online along pen kachuning rialo nangli aber theglongji kenang sot kapapleng nangji alam the klar dak pen nangli bear ik paminangji driving license aparman Aadhaar card abang kedo kenang sot online penangli kelang labang so driving license aparman sika pharohini tu nangji laso pen api RTO ahin pen confirmation message nang lilong nang leigji. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Dong mukak rasinja aklamalong kapadupon ingdeng ingkorotroksi Jonal Karbi Youth Festival along Nurak Club atumpen patirpi ponsi kitamtang prenipai troksi anhingve Mystic Elangjun surhini rakre sirkep kachepati padupon Bangsu Mystic Elangjun surhini rakre sirkep kachepati ponjia phanpura Tekelangjun KCS Zone Maipu Torontaru ahin pensi ingpupon Mystic Elangjun Fashion Show kecepati dun kadu kabe bang plikebra isi kecepati angbong bang ingkora po atupapan ang dun kiti mati final kecepati alongan ing baipon bang ingkora po angbong pen pininga sengka la parman di purong jangpong rong supialong kedo amikar karlitang khorsing lekthi lapen manai terang pi asupi jintalin lekthi pi apan Mystic Elangjun surihini rakru serkep ing baipon
ke haipon abang piamen ke la puelo Contestant number 5, Cinta Jin Lek Tuan Malelo, winner Mystic Elangjun 2019. Contestant number 5, Cinta Jin Lek Richard avec the honorable Tuan Malelo.
First runners up Sami Esalin Hansepi lapen second runners up Sami Mirsoti Sopi atum pensi Cepalongdun Bangsuang Bongpen Miss Photogenic and Miss Ramwalk Sami Jasmine Hangchupi Best Costume and Miss Popularity on Social Media Sami Sangjili Rongparti Best Smile Sami Esalin Hansepi Best Fashion Icon Sami Serbin Kropi Miss Beautiful Hair Sami Mirdantironti Miss Glowing Skin Sami Mirso Tisopi Atumsi Cepalongpon Bangsu Kachapati Isek Kacharidun Laki Chief Judge Sami Jharna Teronpi Sami Clarlin Tobipi Sotro Tiso Omorong Piatumpensi Langcharipon Tusi Nura Club Pachithang Chunbang Thomas Terangpen Karbi Anglong Life Along Bertanang Pale Kidamtang Prenipai Kepen Grihini Arni Hanjang langsut dan Surya Klamalong ke Padupon Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Leadership Training Camp Padupon Labang Somai Rostom Teron Pen Kacharipon Amayalong Mai ke Phalam The Socheng Rong Hang Pen Si Clardak Pen Pachinipon Mayalong Kadu Kabe Bang Pharil Sirapok Kep Suse Ayuva Morcha Atum Chetongdun Lapen Bang Kripli Resource Person Atum Chetongdun Si Ason Alam The Jaipon Rinti Karbi Anglong District BJP Maipu and Parta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Roton Tiron BJP KADC Dun Maipu Roland Killing EM Khansing Rongpi nominated MEC Sima Ronghangpi Pencheng Lok Kethekiding Atum Chetongdun Si RD Doklong Alam The Clardak Pen Pachinipon Rinti Youth Atum ke claim ke damponang jia puthak Saichuti kia puthak Song Arona puthak Suar Luatum Jakong Kelong Dunang jia puthak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Kachari Aputhak Lapen Central Government State Government Pen Sainang Kapali Aputhak Pencheng Lok Pinangan Alam Chethan Chimum Pidupon Lo Bukajan Pen Anon Terang Karbi Anglong Live Pinya Daba Abirta Bangke Lapan Sikang Ton Iglang Demi Thak Me Kardong